What's going on? It's Roger. So I did a video of the Pajeros that I got from Mitsubishi Pajeros that I got from Japan, the Tomica and Real X um, diecast. It was pretty cool because if you know, the Mitsubishi Pajero has quite a few different variations. There's a Junior, there's RV, but this one is made by Hot Wheels, and you can tell it's kind of cartoonish in a sense that it's very bulky. These really, you know, I don't know what to say. Like I said, it's just very cartoonish to me. Spoiler on top, these weird wheels and whatnot. But it does say Swamp Rally on it. And that kind of has like a weird Mitsubishi logo on it too. But it is, let me put it in properly, it is a Mitsubishi Pajero. So, one for the collection.